hello kayo dyan mga friends. Yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Kinabuhing Tambok. Yes, it's Monday na naman mga friends. Kaya naman, kuber-kuberan mo ako. O, diba? Yes, yan po ang ating kakantahin mga kaibigan ng ating background. Wonderful Tonight, requested by my ghost friend. Charot. Alright, ready na ba kayo? Kumusta naman kayo, oy? Kumusta naman ang Monday nyo dyan, oy? You know, ay, ha? Itong awiting ito ha, mga kaibigan, ay maalala ko talaga yung mga kabataan ko pa. Yung bata pa kayo ko, uwa! So, syempre, dahil pag Golden Voice tayo mga kaibigan, umpisahan na natin itong ating Wonderful Tonight. Are you guys wonderful tonight? Do you feel wonderful tonight? I feel that too. Let's go! Shoutout pala dyan sa lahat ng ating mga viewers and commentators. May paghagot ng mga kaibigan. Nakalimutan natin mag-lipstick. Importante naka-toothbrush. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup, brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Alright. Malala ko talaga yung mahilig ko tayo maglasing. Light in your eyes. Nawala tayo dun mga kaibigan. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Alright! Yes, pa-feather tayo na kasi we feel like wonderful tonight. Charot! Ito yung mga panahon na tagay pa more is life. It's time to go home now. Nalasing na. And I've got an aching head, so I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. Ayun o! And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Alright! Parang napakasarap talaga pag may magsabi sa'yo, you look so wonderful tonight. You are wonderful tonight. Kasi sa gabi lang talaga sila lumalabas. Kaya hindi siya wonderful today. Ayan mga kaibigan, maraming salamat! Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And don't forget to comment down below your favorite song. O di kayo mga song na mga lolo't lola nyo na gusto nyo bigyan natin ng buhay dito. Thank you so much. This is Kinabuhing Tambok. See you next time.